Kompensator is an advanced, low-voltage, self-regulating heating cable system for RVs, emergency response vehicles, commercial fluid delivery trucks, and other low-voltage applications. Kompensator is supplied as a pre-assembled, job-ready solution with factory-terminated, self-regulating heating cable and a cord-set power lead, making installations fast and straightforward. Unlike outdated heat tape, Kompensator delivers reliable, energy-efficient performance in demanding temperatures thanks to its self-regulating technology, which increases heat and energy output to colder sections along its length while simultaneously reducing output to warmer sections. This allows the heating cable to be safely overlapped and insulated with no risk of overheating, and it remains safe for both metallic and non-metallic pipes and hoses, even if the pipe or hose is dry. Kompensator seamlessly integrates into existing vehicle and equipment applications without the need for power inverters, connecting directly to 12-volt or 24-volt power supplies such as battery or alternator systems. The factory-finished assembly arrives ready to install and can easily be mounted along pipes, tubes, or hoses of many materials and sizes. To further improve energy efficiency, Kompensator can be paired with insulation and a thermostat. Insulation helps reduce heat loss, while a thermostat allows the system to cycle based on the external pipe temperature. When combined, these accessories can improve energy efficiency by up to 80%, helping conserve power where low-voltage energy demand is a critical factor. Kompensator is also a proven OEM solution, trusted by manufacturers such as RV builders, transportation and mobile equipment producers, and others who integrate the heating cable directly into their products for reliable cold weather performance. Custom original equipment manufacturing options are available to support production requirements and specialized installation needs. Kompensator is CSA certified in North America for use in both dry and wet locations, and is built for rugged durability and long-lasting performance across a wide range of demanding environments. Engineered and manufactured in North America, Kompensator is backed by the Heatline proven legacy of reliable, self-regulating heating cable solutions. From remote off-grid cabins to RVs and heavy transport fleets, Kompensator delivers reliable, low-voltage freeze protection you can count on.